In this video, I'm gonna show how you create a new Facebook page. If you found this video useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, click this profile section button, then tap pages, tap create pages and click public image, then click next button. Enter the page name you want. Then click next. Enter the category that describe your page. You can up to add 3 categories. Then click create. If you want to sell product and start your business page, then click this page. If you want to create videos, then click this and tap continue. Add bio you want, email number, phone number, your address, city, zip code, and then click next. This information is optional. You can add it later if you want. Click next. 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 Your page is created. If you have any question, comment below. Thank you.